If I had a magic wand to make our system make sense, I think I would do three or four things. The first one, it's going to seem a little strange, but it's actually quite important, is that we need to frame immigration as a positive thing because it is. That's what the evidence tells us. Why do I say that? Because it's very telling that in the United States, the agency responsible for managing our immigration system is the Department of Homeland Security. Now, what does that tell you? Right? It tells you that as a government, as a country, we have framed immigration as something that we need to be protected from. And therefore, the agency in charge of safety is the one that has to manage the flow of people. That mindset colors everything else and all the dysfunctional decisions we make in our system. So that would be number one. If we do that, then everything else will follow. So the first thing, the next thing we would need to do would be to what I call in the book, or the analogy I use in the book, is increasing the speed limit on our immigration highways. That is, we just need to allow more immigrants in through legal pathways. Remember, more legal pathways means less illegal crossings. But also remember that we need those people. We need them for economic reasons. We need them for a lot of other reasons, also for family reunification reasons. So we just need to allow a lot more immigration than we do right now. Remember, our economy is more than twice the size it was the last time we set that speed limit. The third thing, and this is also very important, is not only do we need to increase the amount of visas we allow, but the variety of visas. In my analogy, the variety of access lanes into the immigration superhighway. Right now, we give 2/3 of visas for family reunification purposes. We only give 15%, 1/5, of visas. And to be clear, we only give 15% of green cards for employment purposes. That makes no sense. So we need to balance it out. We need to have a better balance between family and economic migration through legal channels. But we also just need a lot of variety in terms of the channels on both of those sides. So it can't just be that our legal channels only allow people, say, with PhDs and master's degrees, because our economy also needs a bunch of people who maybe just have a bachelor's degree, or maybe have no college education at all, but are coming here to do manufacturing and farm work and contributing in other ways. We also need many pathways for people to reunite with their loved ones, because often very talented people want to live next to their loved ones to be productive. So we need to just have a variety of access points instead of having essentially what we have now is one big access lane, which is family, a very small access lane, which is employment, and then pretty much that's it. Those would be the three biggest changes I would make if I could wave my magic wand. And I'm pretty certain that that would actually pretty much eliminate the problem of undocumented immigration and make our system more beneficial for us.